Okay, so right now as South Africans we have an issue, a huge issue of leadership. To such an extent ukuthi a lot of people seqale inkulumo ukuthi kuthiwe no kwakungcono iSouth Africa ise under abantu abamhlophe engcono ise under amabhunu. In fact uJoseph Mathunjwa nje president weAMCO ngisanda ukumuzwa ethi ke maybe sifuna siqala siconsiderishe ukuthi ke akusona isikhathi sokuthi ke sithole upresident omhlophe. Alright, ngiyakuzwa lokho baningi even na social media bayikhuluma abantu labo ukuthi no maybe esisabantu abamnyama we have failed. Sihlulekile ukuphatha South Africa, maybe we should sihambe soyithoba kubantu abamhlophe sibacela ukuthi kube yibona abazobuya barani country barani South Africa. Alright, so ke nginezinto ezimbalwa i-issue with leyo nto. Mhlawumbe number 1 there's an example engifisa ukuthi ngiyenze. Kunesizwe la eswale eBhayibhelini, isizwe sabantu bakwaIsrael. Isizwe sakwaIsrael sake saba ama slaves eGibhithe for 400 years, and after that uNkulunkulu wasikhipha in slavery, wasikhipha eGibhithe. Khona enye into ayisho uNkulunkulu kubona kade bakhipha eGibhithe, wabadonsa ngendlebe. Wathi uqalekisiwe umuntu oyobuyela eGibhithe. Wathi never under any circumstances must they ever consider indaba yokubuyela eGibhithe, because eGibhithe kwakuyislavery, kwakuyindawo laba beqelazwe khona. So right now into esesiconsider as abantu abamnyama, we are considering ukubuyela back to i-oppression. We are considering ukubuyela back kubantu who have oppressed us. Yes, there's ningi izinto ezinhle esingayifunda kwi-leadership yabelungu, siningi izinto esingayifunda kwi-government yabelungu, but I don't think ukuthi ngaba i-wise idea ezisabantu abamnyama, because leyo nto ingaba i-vote of no confidence kuthina ezisabantu abamnyama ukuthi sithi si-majority eSouth Africa, but sibe willing ukuthi sibuyele back kwi-leadership yabelungu abayi-minority. Kulezinto ezimbala la engifuna siyibheke mhlawumbe ezizosisiza nathi kwi-journey yethu as South Africa, because right now uma singabuka i-journey yabantu abamnyama eSouth Africa kusukela ngesikhathi bokuphuma kwe-apartheid kuze kube manje, thina i-journey yethu singayifanisa njengesikhathi la uIsrael khona wayesehamba ehlane. uIsrael wafike wakhishwa eGibhithe, emva kwalokho wawandarisha ehlane for 40 years. So thina ispace esikusona right now as South Africans